Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about the Sunday after Easter, known as Divine Mercy, when all is possible. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites, including one that'll take you out to Amazon.com, offering for sale all the books in the best-selling series San Miguel de Allende's Secrets, including one specifically on Easter. Divine Mercy Sunday is the Sunday after Easter, placing emphasis on the veneration of the image of Divine Mercy, which Sister, later Saint, Faustina, reported has her vision of Jesus in the 1930s Poland. The image is displayed and venerated by local Catholics. During Divine Mercy Sunday, specific prayers are said at 3 p.m., the hour of Jesus' death, requesting Jesus' mercy in dire situations. It's a constant reminder that all is possible and anything can be forgiven. This popular image of Jesus features blue, sometimes white, and red rays symbolizing cleansing water and loving blood of Christ. Many local miracles are attributed to Jesus' mercy depicted in the image. On lapels, locals frequently wear blue and red ribbons in honor of the blue and red flowing from Jesus' heart. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.